with how everyone came out today, 6 players in the double digits, and not only that, yung production ng bench ninyo, and of course yung performance ni Bobby.
Well, thank you. First, we would like to thank God for this win, and we also give credit to the team for playing well as well. Yeah, we know in terms of, you mentioned about the point production. We know that we will be able to score. We will somehow we have good guys, but going into this game, our emphasis would be in defense, especially kay George King. Medyo mataas especially nung I think first quarter. What was that? 26. I think at the first 4 or 5 minutes, we gave up 17 points. So medyo mataas. And George King, 34 points. We gave up how many? We gave up 4-point shots, 16 kagad yun. We know he will take that. We know he will hunt for that. So naka-concentrate kami doon. But still, ay ganun, 34 points pa din. And medyo career game din ni JD. So, first quarter, first half, our emphasis would be to tighten up on the defense. And gladly, nag-respond naman yung guys namin. Pero mataas pa rin, make no mistake, yung 199 points that we gave up, mataas pa rin. So late eliminations, hopefully we make the playoffs. We will get our looks, we will be able to execute, pero kailangan talaga namin i-limit yung kabilang team. Kailangan namin yung defense. Pagdating ng last yan sa San Miguel, very important game din sa kanila yan. We would have to be able to make some stops. Talagang, I mean, we know they would be able to score, pero it will take a lot of us. It will take the team effort para makapagdala kami, makakuha kami ng mga stops. So yun ang concentration namin today, and dadalhin namin yan sa Friday against San Miguel.
Thanks, Coach. Well, 20 points, career high, congratulations. Ano yung mga factors na contribute para kapag-perform ka this way at yung motivation mo para sa explosive game day mo today?
Yun lang, sinong makalaman lang namin na hindi namin kailangan na hindi kami ngayon magre-relax dito. Kasi sabi nga ni Coach, San Miguel yung makakalaban namin. Kailangan maganda yung pakita namin. So yun, no fourth quarter kaya nagamit ako lalo kasi yun nga, si Justin Arana. Parang sana okay lang. Pero yun, bigyan pa lang ako chance na makapaglaro. Yan, bigyan ko lang kasi kung yan.
The floor is now open if the media has any questions.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Coach, kumusta si Justin now concerning yung injury niya?
Well, kanina, wala pang update din yung medical team namin. Pero nung pagdala sa kanya sa dugout, chinek na yun. We'll see. So far, in-evaluate pa eh. Then siguro, after this, pagdating mo doon, or maybe tomorrow, may further evaluation pa na gagawin. Sana okay naman. Initially, medyo okay. Initially we don't know still. Pero masakit daw sabi ni Justin. So, we will see. We're hoping for the best. Sana it's something that he can just shrug off. Maybe take a day or two tapos hopefully nothing serious.
Justin, unti-unti mo na ba, gaano ka naka-comfortable kung gano'n sa PPA? Since yung first game mo, adjusting ka pa, but ngayon, gaano ka naka-comfortable?
Ayun nga, matagal na ako sa team. So yun, 100% comfortable na ako dito sa team ko. So yun kailangan natin talagang manalo. And para sa mga post namin kasi, then expectation ng mga fans sa amin, kaya kailangan namin talagang pagtrabahuin talaga.
Justin, congratulations. San Miguel, yung last game niyo, of course, your matchup with Jim are hard, right? Yung nakapangan ng mga fans.
Yun lang, magiging ready lang siguro ako. And then, alam naman natin si Junmar kung gaano kadominante sa ilalim. So yun, kung ano man game plan ng mga coach namin, magkatrabaho lang na maganda namin.
just move closer to a twice to beat advantage. Just your thoughts about it.
Well, sa amin naman, if it's there, of course, lahat ng teams gusto yung ganung incentive eh. Napakaganda ng incentive dun sa playoffs. But for us, we will take care of yung present. Right now, ang present ngayon, yung San Miguel eh. That's our last ng Philippine Nations. And kahit naman manalo kami doon, may bearing pa yung ibang games din eh. So, pero ayaw namin na dumating kami doon sa point na yun na hindi namin that we didn't take care of something that we could have taken care of. So, yun lang, yun ang approach namin doon. We will prepare our very best with or without Justin, but hopefully with Arana there. And confident naman kami doon sa mga ibang guys. Always the next month. Yeah, we will prepare hard for that. Hopefully, we take care of them, and kung papalaro ng mga twice to beat, then good, we would welcome that. We would want that.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations to the
Thank you.